morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning, the start of the week, well, the business week for most of you. I hope you have a good day. Last night, actually yesterday afternoon, I started by preparing my corn salad. That's right, the Casual Chef corn salad. This is one of my favorite sides and or snacks. For several weeks now, I've been basically halving all these recipes. Not this one, because I had it yesterday, and it was really tempting to have it for a snack before dinner. So I had it with dinner, and then I will have it as a snack. Robin is going to get something of it as a takeout, and then I'm going to have it, at least with one other meal this week. This is a 5-star. It's been a 5-star since day one, so I'll get it posted up. Then I did honey garlic ribs. These are good. I gave it a 4. The way I baked them, they didn't glaze, but they still have plenty of flavor. I actually took the juices, the sauce that was in the bottom of the foil, and once I got everything plated, I drizzled that sauce over the ribs. They were very good, very tender. Instead of doing a 1 hour at like 300 or 400 degrees, I did them at 2 hours at 300 degrees. Low and slow. That's the only way to do ribs. Tonight, whatever, for dinner, I'm doing Sizzling bacon cheeseburger queso. Let's get to it. Just a simple saute pan. That's all I need. Well, I'll probably do another pan for the bacon, because there's bacon. That's peppered bacon, platter bacon, 1 pound of ground beef, sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, some sour cream, some milk, whole milk. That's where the recipe stops. I'm actually going to do the ground beef in my fajita seasoning. I opened up a small can of chili peppers. I'm going to add the chili peppers to the queso, and I'm probably going to garnish it with some green onions and some other stuff, because I have it in the fridge. Possibly, a little bit of tomato. We'll see. I'll play with it. Remember, recipes are just guidelines. All right. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.